Mark Chalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today, the point of this video is to do an exterior presentation of our 1982 Porsche 911 Cabriolet Outlaw. We refer to it as an Outlaw because it's fully customized. Obviously, it sports this 1968 Porsche Slate Gray paint, which is absolutely gorgeous on this car. It's got a beautiful black German canvas top that fits like a glove. Some interior custom work has been done, and of course the heart of the car produces 425 horsepower. So again, this is an awesome car. Just want to do a presentation here for you. We are going to do another video. It will be a startup video. I'll go into things a little bit more in detail, and then we're also going to do a driving video as well. So starting off, I have this binder here. This binder is something I created. It has all of the receipts for the entire restoration. It's well over $100,000 that was invested, not even including the cost of the car. So this was a very, very expensive restoration. A lot of well-known people in the Porsche community had part in this restoration, which makes it even better. Down there, you'll notice the award that it won at the Concours. It was actually sponsored and held by the Porsche Club America. That was in 2019. The car was finished in 2019. It's only been driven a little over 3,000 miles since the restoration. All of that's included. There's even a little Hot Wheels there as well. Over to the right-hand side there, I do have the boot, car cover, and so forth. That boot fits the back area like a glove. It's really, really nice. You'll see that in our exterior gallery photos. So getting into the condition of this vehicle here, as the receipts indicate, the gentleman who orchestrated the restoration, he sent this car out to a body shop. They actually did a bare metal glass out repaint. He invested about $10,000 in this paint job. So I'm not going to go on record and say this paint job is maybe as detailed as some of the other cars that we have, because again, his plan was to build something that he wasn't going to be afraid to drive, and that's exactly what this car is. So it was nice enough to still be an award winner. It's definitely still show quality, but it does obviously have some imperfections. We could have wet sanded this paint at MS Classic Cars, but we didn't want to take any chances of burning the clear coat. So getting into the condition of it, you'll notice up in the front here, it does have a few chips because he did indeed drive the car. Like I said, a little over 3,000 miles. It's got a little chip here. In the clear coat, mostly in the hood, you'll see these little fine lines that are in here. Again, it's not a big deal. You kind of only see them in the right light. All of the tops of the fenders are in beautiful condition. While we're on the front here, I'm just going to turn the key on, and I'm going to show you the headlights, how nicely they operate. They're kind of like a Xeon style white light. They work really nicely. So again, the front of this vehicle is in absolutely beautiful condition. Just a few little imperfections in the front, as you would kind of expect. Making our way over to the driver's side fender. I'm just looking at this really closely to see if I can find any chips or anything here. I don't see anything that's worth mentioning. These wheels are absolutely flawless. These are custom wheels. They've been modified by Lindsay Racing. Again, the top is in absolutely beautiful condition. While we're on the subject of the top, something that I'm really impressed by, I'm going to show you how quickly this top goes down. Notice how tight it is, how well it fits to the body. The rear window is beautiful. There's no snaps to take care of or anything like that. All you do is release it like so on both sides and hold it back. That's all there is to it. It literally took a few seconds to put the top down, which I think is really impressive. And again, the top fits like a glove. That boot goes right over it. It snaps in nice and tight. Again, you can check that out in all of our photos that we present. So getting into the door here, the driver's door, it's free of any dents. I don't really see any chips to speak of. There are a couple little chips here. I would assume that that's probably from entering and exiting the vehicle. You'll notice that all the black accents are new. The molding down here, it's in beautiful condition. Getting into the rear quarter, there's nothing to mention. You might have, again, a couple little lines that are in the clear coat. Those are just from wiping the car down and whatever the case might be. And again, we did not want to wet sand this. Again, these wheels are in absolutely beautiful condition. You can clearly see they're almost flawless. There's a couple little spots here. Again, not even really gouges, just little imperfections. As you make your way around the back of the vehicle, the spoiler's in beautiful condition. Third brake light. This back area here is in, again, beautiful condition. Nothing to really mention here. All the rubber's nice, all the lenses are new. Making our way over to the passenger rear quarter. It's like new condition, no chips. Again, very, very light, minor hairline imperfections in the clear coat. They're going to be worse, some of these lights in the showroom. Again, all the black trim is beautiful. The wheels are in beautiful condition. A little tiny imperfection here, it's no big deal. A little scratch here. Again, I'm being very fussy, but just want to make everything crystal clear for people. The door's in beautiful condition, no dings, no chips. The mirror's in excellent condition. There are maybe 1 or 2 or 3 little tiny pin-sized chips on the mirror. And again, coming over to the passenger front fender here, it's in absolutely beautiful condition. Little tiny chip right there. So again, the glass on the side was tinted. It was refurbished during the restoration. The windshield was replaced. The windshield does have a couple of little imperfections in it, but overall, this is an award-winning car. It's something I'm extremely proud of. So please make sure that you watch the other videos that we do of this vehicle. It's gonna definitely be well worth it. We appreciate your time, and make sure to check out everything on our website at msclassiccars.com. Thank you.